Hi guys, in today's painting we are painting this beautiful Eiffel Tower painting in simple 3 steps. So let's get started. Here is the art material we are using for this painting. So in the first step we are going to paint the background. So you all know the background is the night sky and we are going to cover this night sky with stars and moon. And now you can see I am going to paint the sky. So as it is a dark night sky, we are needing this black color. And you can see in this painting I painted the sky in purple. So I had an idea like painting a sky in a purple will make this painting more beautiful, so I chose this color. Now you can see we are moving further towards the center. I am using more purple here. We should add more purple in the center of the canvas. So you can see here I am using my flat brush. So whenever you are covering a large surface in your painting, it is always best to use a flat brush, especially the large size flat brush. As you can see the bristles are white, so it helps us to cover the large area and it also stops the paint dry very fast. Now you can see we are using a little bit of white to the purple. So when we are moving towards the bottom of the canvas, we need a very mild and light shade of purple. So here I mixed more white to the purple to have this beautiful and light shade of purple. Now you can see we have a beautiful transition of very dark color to light colors. You can see like a dark color first and then we have this mild colors, and now we have a very light shade of colors. Now let's paint stars. So here you can see I just add more water to my white color and I'm going to sprinkle my fan brush here. So in this way we have lots of star in a quick time. Now let's paint a crescent moon using a round brush. So while painting this we need to be really careful while painting the edges. In step 2 we are painting the Eiffel Tower. So you can see I already traced the image. Now I am going to just block the colors in this area. So you can see I am just using the color yellow and I am going to block the color inside this basic shape. So you can see the background is already very dark. So the color we are giving in the surface is not very vibrant and bright. So it's no problem. It's just a base. We are going to add more colors on the top of this. So adding the base is okay. So now it may look like very messy, but we have to trust our process and go ahead. If you are following my art page for a long time, you might know I paint from the suggestion of my followers, and this time one of my favorite artists suggested me to paint the Eiffel Tower. So I made this painting especially for beginners with a simple tutorial. These light efforts in this painting makes the painting more interesting and easy, and let me know in the comment section how much this video is really helpful for you. Now let's add some details on this area. So you can see I'm just painting some strokes using the color orange, and once we finish this we are going to add some light effects here. So you can see using the round brush, only the tip of my round brush, I am painting some circles, small circles. So here I am using the color yellow. So I am going to add more little dots here and there. This technique is really easy to paint light effect in our painting. Now let's add the highlight in white. So here I am painting some dots using the color white. In this area I decided to use another technique to paint the light effect. So you can see here I am painting some dots using the color orange. So I am going to fill this base using the color orange. But don't overdo it, we need to give some space among them. So once we finish this orange color, now let's move to the yellow. So here I am again painting some dots, but this time I am using the color yellow. Now we are adding the highlights in white. So you can see I'm just painting this white dot only in few areas. That is enough for this painting. So if you are seeing this video, you might know that the second technique is really simple rather than the first one. So if you are recreating this painting, you can follow which technique is suitable for you. You may wonder why I choose the color purple and orange for this painting. So you can see in color wheel we can see the colors like purple and yellow. They are the opposite color, they are the contrast color. So if you are adding these two colors in a painting, they will dominate each other and it will easily attract the viewer's attention. So that I use these two colors in my painting. If you are new to my channel or if you are seeing my video for the first time, let me introduce myself. I am Rexana and I love to paint with acrylics. Here I am sharing my painting knowledge with beginners. So if you find my tutorial is really easy and helpful, then please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel Rexana Art, and you can also follow me in my Instagram to know more updates about my paintings. In the last step, we are painting the trees and the river. So just using my regular flat brush, I am painting the shape of the trees here. So it is a really easy technique and it also saves our time to paint trees. So I am going to do the technique all over here. If you are watching my video so far, you might like my other tutorial videos too. So if you are like my video, then please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share this video with your friends and art lovers. Here I am painting a long and sweeping line for the river, and the river reflects the lights from this Eiffel Tower. So here I am adding the color yellow on top of the orange color. In the first layer I added the color orange, and the top of the orange I added the color yellow. So once we finish this, we are going to add a light shade of yellow. And now let's add the details in this area, some light effects. So here I am using the same technique like painting the dots here and there. Mixing the colors yellow with more white, I am painting the light yellow and blend with my fingers. So it is really easy to blend with your fingers sometimes, but you will end up dirt your hand. But I really like this, so whenever I am painting, my hands are filled with colors. Now let's see the final look of our painting. I really like this painting. If you like this painting, please let me know in the comment section. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting. Until then, have fun with colors.